Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing your account and device so payments will work smoothly. First, open Alipay and confirm your identity and payment source. This ensures transactions aren't blocked. Once done, turn on NFC if you plan to tap, or ready the QR code screen for scan and pay. Different stations accept different modes. Make sure you have sufficient balance or a linked card for the expected fare, because failed trips require reprocessing at gates and slow you down. You now perform the core action to enter the MTR. If using NFC, switch Alipay to transit or card emulation mode, then hold the phone over the gate reader until you see the green light. This reduces read errors. If using QR, open the MTR payment code and show it to the scanner without covering the screen. Move steadily to prevent timeouts. Make sure the phone stays stable and facing the reader. The gate will show your remaining balance and let you pass. You finish the trip by repeating the payment step at the exit and confirming the deducted fare. This completes the round trip and updates your balance. If numbers look wrong, take a screenshot immediately and check your transaction history in Alipay so you can dispute it quickly. If payment fails at the gate, remain calm. Approach station staff with your phone and ID, use a backup card or cash, and later follow up with Alipay support to recover any erroneous charges.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.